Now, there is no end to the misery of the Muzaffarnagar riot victims who are putting up at relief camps. Hundreds of people are suffering from diseases due to unhygienic conditions in the camp. The harsh winter is only making the matters worse for them. As far as 34 children have died due to cold in the camps. Headlines Today gets you this ground report.
Thousands displaced and rendered homeless. Living in deplorable conditions in the harsh winter. These are the riot-hit people of Western UP who took shelter in these makeshift tents after the outbreak of communal violence in September this year. But what has followed for these riot-hit families is cruder than they could even imagine. 6-year-old Arman has been combating the severe cold along with a prolonged illness.
6-year-old Arman, blood-curdling state. No doctors around in the relief camp in village Loi of Muzaffarnagar.
Surviving on bare minimum, his mother has no money for his treatment. The doctors who visited the relief camps have been unable to soothe the wounds of ailing Arman.
कहीं इलाज क्यों नहीं करा रही हैं आप?
पैसे नहीं आज हमारे पास. डॉक्टर आते आज एक ही दवा देते हैं सबको, बुखार की भी, खांसी की भी, नज़ले की, सब यही दवा देते हैं.
But Arman is not an isolated case. Hundreds of people like him are exposed to the winter cold in these relief camps, which lack even basic amenities, and many are falling prey to the season's ruthless assault.
आपकी क्या तबीयत खराब है?
आप की तबीयत ये खराब है. गले में देखो जी मेरा कितना बड़ा आता है. इसमें दर्द रहता है, खाने में दिक्कत रहती है, मुझे सांस में दिक्कत रहती है. दवाई तो यहाँ तो जो पर दिखावा क्या लगे, यहाँ पर तुम्हारा इलाज नहीं है, कहीं और दिखाओ. जब हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है तो हम कहाँ जाएंगे?
वे डॉक्टर बोले जी मुझको तुम्हें मेरठ दिखाना होगा, अपने धोरे तक पैसे लगाकर जी थारा इलाज होगा जी. ये बताओ जी हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है, हम कहाँ दिखाएंगे?
Children have been the worst victims of the bitter cold. Hapless families living in these camps have no option but to watch their own kids die in front of their eyes. The state government panel says 34 children have died because of the cold in these camps. And adding to the misery of these people is the 48-hour ultimatum from the government to evacuate the camps. The government claims that 167 families have been given a compensation of rupees 5 lakh each. But the victims are contesting government's claims.
दूसरे गाँव के है, हमें कोई पैसा नहीं मिल रहा, न कोई मुआवजा मिल रहा. हमें कोई मुआवजा नहीं मिला जी. मैं टावे गाँव का हूँ.
हमें कुछ नहीं दिया, सबको बांटा, हमें नहीं दिया जी उसने भी.
The inhuman conditions in these camps clearly show that the government hasn't done enough. The people here are agitated over Mulayam's statement that the camp inmates are actually the agents of his rivals and not the genuine riot victims. Every victim here hopes that the realization sinks in before it gets too late. Till then, survival remains a battle for them. With Pankaj Upadhyay in Muzaffarnagar, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.